Tractor model 5060E, the smart tractor, a unique blend of advanced technology and modern electronics. Take a look at this attractive tractor. What strikes you at the first glance is its international look and modern styling. Attractive hood profile, a chrome finish gun sight with pleasing contours and excellent paint finish. Every single thing is designed to contribute to its stunning looks. Now get onto the tractor comfortably with the help of the side bar. Enjoy the total comfort of your deluxe seat with armrest. Its unique tilt steering can be adjusted to suit your physique and driving posture. Lock it in the design position with the help of its latch and get ready for a comfortable and enjoyable drive. You can easily maneuver your 5060E tractor with the help of its power steering. Side shift gear levers, easy grip gear shift knobs make gear shifting quick and easy. Even after hours of working, you don't feel any fatigue. The new 5060E cares for your safety. The self-adjusting hydraulically actuated oil-immersed disc brakes of this tractor ensure super sharp and equal braking on both the wheels for unmatched safety. So that when you're working in the field, your family doesn't have to keep worrying about you. Features like exhaust muffler guard and finger guard also take care of your safety. One of the highlights of this tractor is the smart way in which it works with various implements. The new EQRL switches provided at the rear of 5060E tractor facilitate easy hitching of implements by a single person. While working in the fields, the EQRL switches provided on your right-hand side make it easier to raise and lower the implement on the go. Very useful and convenient at headland turns. Thus, you save both time and efforts. Now you can opt for reverse PTO. Harvest more in less time with lesser breaks, as you can now quickly remove the clogged material during threshing, reaping or harvesting operations. For added safety, a buzzer sounds while the reverse PTO is engaged and an indicator flashes on your dashboard. The multifunction digital display, MFD, makes this new tractor truly interactive. The 5-in-1 LCD panel helps you monitor 5 critical parameters of your tractor. There is an indicator for ground speed in kmph, the indicator that shows how much charge is left in the battery, the indicator for service reminder for when the next service of the tractor is due. When the tractor is on contract, clocking the exact number of hours the tractor has been used is critical for you. The trip meter on the panel makes this task very simple. The hour meter on the panel keeps you updated on the cumulative hours the tractor has run. And a convenient toggle switch helps you to switch the display among these parameters. An array of gauges and indicators on the sophisticated dashboard provide you current status of various parameters like engine RPM, oil temperature, oil pressure, air filter clogging indicator, battery charging indicator, turn light indicators, high beam status, fuel level, etc. Riding the clutch increases your tractor's fuel consumption and may reduce the clutch life through high wear and tear. The new 5060E tractor helps you avoid both. This smart tractor is provided with a warning system for clutch overriding. A buzzer sounds if you are riding the clutch for more than 10 seconds, and an indicator lights up on the dashboard, alerting you to take corrective action. The features that make this tractor intelligent and smart. The hood of 5060E opens by pulling a single lever so very gracefully with the help of gas struts. Now, daily inspection and routine maintenance is so easy. The world-renowned high-performance turbocharged John Deere engine delivers unmatched power. The advanced rotary pump releases optimum quantity of fuel, giving excellent power and fuel efficiency. This engine is fitted with technologically advanced dual-element dry-type air filter. This new tractor also comes with coolant reservoir, which means there is no need to top up the radiator daily. An advanced viscous fan is provided for cooling the radiator. The speed of the fan changes as per the cooling requirement. The higher the temperature, the higher the fan speed, thus optimally using the precious engine power. Smart, isn't it? Powerful dual-element halogen lamps ensure excellent visibility at night. After a hard day's work, now it's time to go home. The pitch-dark night can't bother you at all. The smart go-home feature of your 5060E helps you to safely walk to your home on the pathway illuminated by the headlights of your tractor. On activation, the headlights of your tractor remain on for about 30 seconds after the engine is switched off. The headlights automatically switch off on their own. The smart tractor is also suitable for commercial applications like loader, dozer, backhoe, and so on. There are many more optional features available with this tractor to suit your business needs, such as adjustable front axle, heavy-duty front axle, dual PTO, synchro mesh gearbox, and so on. We can go on and on describing its many smart features, but we would rather invite you to come and experience the superb performance of this smart tractor.